are now in the Skagit Valley. Here is the birthplace for many migratory birds. Canadian goose. Every spring they move to here to the north to go back to Canada, Alaska, Russia. She just dropped me off in this spot. She's looking for something in her binoculars right now. Look at that. The bird is flying. The migrates type of a bird settle in this area. Look at this beautiful. Okay. Let's go. Migrating, moving. So pretty. They're all coming to here. You see them are looking for the food. So this is early February, the season where all those goose started moving to the north because they like the weather as a temperature.
他们为什么不飞也叫？
It's like a party. They're singing. If you look at it very carefully, you see there's some baby ones and some birds are different, even they're in here. But most of them, it's like a party time. You see, there's one group in here, one group in there, many groups around this field. Very cool. So you see their feather. Some of them have a green color.
你看远处。
Pure white. Look at the far side. There's a ATV just drive through there, and a group of birds are just flying on the far side. There is this Wow. Wow, nice. So pretty. I mean, 有雪山，多漂亮！然后鸟在那飞，超美。嗯。
这个小孩啊。
是小孩。你看这鸭子就觉得不对劲了，你看开始走了，准备要起飞了，飞了。最精彩的镜头。Very pretty goose called the snow goose. They have like a black dot on their wingspan, and the whole body is snow white. That's why we call snowbird. Wintertime they move to the south side. Summertime they move back to the north. Those big one is a trumpet swan. They are much larger than the snow goose. Those swan move a little bit slower, so they will come in Washington, this area, maybe month later. They will be big group coming in later.
Hello. Is this area all winter or just coming?
No. They're here maybe about 3 months or 4 months out of the year.
Only 3
And then
months before.
they come about a month before the snow geese.
Yes.
You know which ones the snow geese are? They're littler birds. They got black tips on their wings.
Oh, okay.
And then they leave about the same time as them. They go to the same spot in Russia or wherever it is they go to.
Oh.
So yeah, they all go to the same spot.
Oh, they fly to Russia.
Huh?
They fly to Russia.
uh,
Alaska, Russia, those.
It's Russia. It's an island on the Aleutians over past the Bering Sea. That's where they go and they have their babies and do their thing for the summer. Yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
interesting.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
So a lot of people take photos out there because it's just, it's perfect. It's all open, beautiful area.
Nice.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for the
Thank you.
details.
Yeah, I'm out here burning a fire,
Oh.
so.
Okay.
Okay.
I got to see. So they're working on it right now.
Yeah.
All the way over
But I see you got a pretty area.
there. Yeah.
The winter.
It's really hard to find them. Obviously, in this area.
就这3个。
Fair Island, Wildfield Refugee. Lots of wet field. Low tide right now. The ocean is on our right hand side. Big piece of acres, about 130 acre field right here. It's a white land. Sun is going to come down. Very wild and natural field in this area.
我们临走快回家的路上，看见了一个 eagle family, eagle nest. The one eagle is outside, another one is inside. And I think maybe they have the baby is inside right now.
Yeah.
Look.
Look at this side. See how far this eagle away from this mountain. This is a Mountain Baker National Park just at the front of us. This is the Mountain Baker North Cascade Mountain. We just passed the Skagit River. Sun is coming down, but the light shoot to the Mountain Baker. So nice and pretty right now. This is a family of 4 ducks. Pretty cute. They're swimming in this river. Group of them on the far side. Look at how many of them just swim around trying to catch some tiny fish or some food in the water.
Wow. 真的好美。
Look at look at this river view are are so pretty.
你可以摸到前面吗？看 reindeer。
Also, at the front of our drive, you can see Mountain Rainier. The sun just come down right now. It is about 5:30. We're driving along Highway 5 south from Belmington area, across the Skagit River. Go back to home. So pretty. Clouds is a so golden color and the silver color.